Alright, so the topic, sets. We did the union of sets just now, and now we're going to do the intersection of sets. That's an E. The intersection of sets. So, as usual, we take a look at the words we're using. Intersection. The meaning of intersection, a point or line. A point or lines of or surfaces that intersect or cross over. Intersection, a point or lines that's supposed to be on surfaces that intersect or cross over. Right, so the most notable intersection, when we think of intersection, we think of a road. So if I have a road and it's going this way, so that's your road. Oh, this is your indicators, markers in the middle of the road. And you have another road that comes this way. The indicators go in there. This point in here will be called the intersection. The meeting point. So the cross here, the middle here, will be intersection. So this is what we're doing, intersection of sets. Alright, so we're continuing with the notes. The symbol for intersection is more like a upside down U. You know the union just now we did it look like a U, so the intersection is actually the opposite of that. Turn it around, you get the intersection. And I want to note at this point also, the symbol for an empty set, a set that has nothing in it, a set of nothing, the two brackets with nothing in between, or like a zero with a stroke in between. So make a note of that. The symbol for the intersection, the opposite to the union, upside down looks like an N or upside down U, whatever you want it to. And the symbol for an empty set is the empty brackets or the zero with the line through it. Alright, so we continue with your notes. Remember, or rather note that A intersect B is the same thing or equal to B intersect A. I'm going to give you some examples. The first example, if A is equal to mangoes, guavas, plums, golden apples, and set B is equal to pears, five fingers, and golden apples, you see golden apples are in both sets. So A intersect B would be equal to the golden apples. The golden apples would be the intersection. The intersection would be the item or the thing that appears in both sets. So as you see here, A intersection B or A intersecting B would be equal to the golden apples. So golden apples would be are in both sets. So that is why the intersection. Alright. So our second example, remembering A intersect B is the same as B intersecting A. Second example, if C is A, B, C, D, E and D is F, G, H, then C intersect, it should be D here. Sorry about that. So if C intersect D, it would be equal to nothing because there is nothing in common in both of these sets. The characters or the members of set C are totally different from the characters or the members of set D. So C intersect D would be equal to the empty set, which is represented by this symbol, the two brackets with the empty space in between, or the zero with the line through it. Alright, so we're on to the exercises. So, first question, if set A is equal to a car, a bus, truck, set B is equal to a bicycle, motorcycle, and tricycle, what is A intersect B? If C, alright, number 2, if C is equal to red, green, blue, black, and D is equal to orange, yellow, and pink, what is C intersect D? Alright, so question number 3, if G is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, and set A is equal, has in members L, M, N, O, P, Q. What is G intersect H? Alright, number 4. If J is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set K has in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, set L has in members 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. List for me: A, J intersect K, B, J intersect L, and C, K intersect L. Alright, number 5. If L has in members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set M has in members 2 and 4, what is L intersect M? Alright, number 6. If P has in 7, 8, and 9 as its members, and set Q has in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as its members, what is P intersect Q? Number 7. If R is equal to the factors of 6 and Q is equal to the factors of 18, list for me: A, R, B, Q, C, R intersect Q. Alright, question 8. If S is equal to the multiples of 3 between 1 and 17, set T is equal to the multiples of 4 between 1 and 17. List for me: A, S, B, T, C, S intersect T. Question number 9. If V is equal to the first 5 whole numbers, W is equal to the first 5 natural numbers, Y is equal to the first 5 odd numbers, list for me: A, V, B, W, C, Y, D, V intersect W, E, V intersect Y, F, W intersect Y. Alright, so your last question on intersection of sets, number 10. If A is equal to the prime numbers between 10 and 20, B odd numbers between 10 and 20, list for me: A, B, B, C, A intersect B. Right? So that is everything on intersecting numbers. And as I said before, parents can do this exercise with their children, adding in different groups of like things. Alright?